You must be the change you wish to see in the world. These are the words of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the person who was able to drive the citizens of India towards a new horizon, who not only taught Indians to fight against the bad, but also buried the seed of a new Gandhi in each Indian's heart. Yes, he emerged as the burning torch to light up the dark lives of the suffering Indians. As Gandhi Jayanti has approached, and as the 2-year-long celebration of 150th Gandhi Jayanti is going on, we, the students of St. Joseph's Convent School at Arsi, are here with the message of Gandhi in me, finding the qualities of Mahatma Gandhi in each one of us. Let us find Gandhiji in one another and let us make him proud. Let us awaken our inner Mahatma. Amidst this pandemic, when there is darkness all around, when there is no ray of hope to be seen, there is the need of Gandhiji again. But this time, let us find him in our souls. Let us reflect his values in our actions, searching our inner Mahatma, क्योंकि हर सामान्य आत्मा में एक महात्मा बसता है। चलिए, उठिए और अपने अंदर के महात्मा को जगाइए।
Lost battles, chains of slavery, lost hope, slaughtered bravery, no escapes left, we accepted this.
People choose survival over freedom. Britishers have become uncrowned kings of our kingdom. Every hour fell short of tears.
All defeats went in front of fears, but the darkest hours marks the upcoming of a new sun. And amidst all the hopelessness was born the hope.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His name meant one who serves God. Indeed, he stood true to it.
This man had its swords, which could neither be defeated nor survive. They never get blunt with time. You see, truth and non-violence.
Not a single rival, even the best of could defeat them. One of the finest human worth following and idolizing.
But the world is mortal, and so are humans. But not the time, my friends. Time is immortal, and the only tool to immortality.
No one can be 100% Gandhi. So let's start with one person. Let's live by his values and in turn live him.
It's not that tough. We all have our good aspects. All we have to do is protect, nourish, practice and strengthen it. Need examples? Here are some.
My mom says I'm bad at lying. It sometimes brought me slight problems. I took it as my weakness. Then my teacher told me the story of Gandhiji.
That day I realized it wasn't my weakness, but the biggest power of mine. Thus, live Gandhi in my words. An error did not become truth by the reason of multiplied propagation.
Nor does truth becomes error because nobody sees it. Truth stands even if there is no public to support. It is self-sustained.
We all love action movies. Heroes stream beating the villains really hard. Theaters filled with cheers and claps. So did I.
Next to me in the theater was a child, hiding his face, tears rolling down his cheeks. He said he lost his dad in such an incident.
I learned a message. No matter whether you are wrong or right, bloodsheds are never the answer.
I support non-violence. Thus, lives Gandhi in my raised voice, but humble actions. Non-violence doesn't always work, but violence never does.
न अभिषेको न संस्कारो तिहस्य क्रियते मृगे विक्रमादित्य राजस्व स्वमेव मृगेन्द्रता। अर्थात वन के जीवों द्वारा सिंह का न तो अभिषेक किया जाता है न ही कोई संस्कार संपन्न होता है,
बल्कि वह अपने पराक्रम से अर्जित राज्य का स्वयं राजा बनता है। यह सत्य है कि स्वाधीनता की भावना, स्वावलंबन का गुण, मनुष्य की मनुष्यता का ही एक अंग है. Gandhi lives in every self-reliant being.
Man is not born to live in isolation, but is essentially a social animal.
Independent or interdependent, no one can or right should another back.
Punctuality and discipline. From Bill Gates to Elon Musk, from Chhatrapati Shivaji to Chanakya, and undoubtedly Gandhiji, every successful person has a common attribute.
A well-disciplined life with punctual attitude towards every task. D for dreams fulfillment needs D for discipline.
I pledge on my dreams to be disciplined and punctual all through my life. Thus, Gandhi lives in this pledge for life. Anyone who has accomplished something wonderful has never done so without discipline. I know the feeling of let go a person who has hurt is very difficult. The feeling of making his or her go through the same pain is always high.
But trust me, try letting it go. Forgive it. It will bring your soul to peaceful shores. Forgiving will help the sinner go through a change of heart. Remember, revenge is an infinite loop. It never ends. Forgive and escape from getting stuck. As Gandhi said, forgiveness is an attribute of the strong and we can never forgive. Here he is alive in my forgiving attitude.
Victories, awards, achievements, and recognition can bring you joy and excitement. But life is just empty without peace. Love and peace of mind do protect us.
They allow us to overcome problems that life gives us. They teach us to survive, to live now, and to have courage to confront each day.
Gandhiji was the promoter of peace in India and the world, and he did it even the best thought of him. Thus, Gandhiji lives in every peaceful mind.
Each one has to find his peace from within. And peace to be real must be unaffected by all outside circumstances.
वचन तो तेने कही जे पीर पराई जानी रे। वैष्णव वचन तो तेने कही जे पीर पराई जानी रे। बर दुखे उपकार करे तुए मन अभिमान लागी रे। वैष्णव वचन तो तेने कही जे पीर पराई जानी रे। सकल लोक मन सहुनी वंदे निंदा न करे रे। बाँच काँच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जानी रे। समदृष्टि
यह तो हर मनुष्य के हृदय में जीवित रहने पर है। आपके शब्द आपके कर्म की उस अमृत छाप में है जिसे मिटाना असंभव है। ऐसे ही गुणों से सुसज्जित एक व्यक्तित्व हमारे महात्मा गांधी जी, जो हर उस क्षण जी उठते हैं जब आप सत्य के लिए खड़े होते हैं, जो हर उस वक्त सांस लेते हैं जब आप नेकी के पथ पर चल परोपकार करते हैं। हम सभी उन्हें अपने गुणों में जीवित रखते हैं, अतः हमारी अंतरात्मा उनका ही प्रतीक है।
पर खुदा के नायाब तोहफे यूं ही सुरक्षित नहीं रहते, उन्हें बचाना होता है हर उस खतरे से जो उसे खत्म करने की कोशिश करता है। राह बाहरी नहीं है, हमारे ही भीतर है। जब हम सत्य को ठुकराते हैं और झूठ का दामन थामते हैं, महात्मा हमसे दूर जाते हैं। जब हम स्वार्थ और लोभ में लिप्त हो जाते हैं, भ्रष्टाचार और आडंबरों में इतना खो जाते हैं कि रुपयों की नोट पर मुस्कुराते गांधी भी हमारे ज़मीर को जगा नहीं पाते। पूछिए खुद से और ढूंढिए अपने अंदर गांधी जी को। जीवित रखिएगा और बचाकर भी। देश का सुंदर भविष्य इसी पर टिका है।